This is the train from Bangalore to Mysore. Unlike British Rail, they leave the doors open, so you can hang out of them if you wish. I'm endeavouring not to actually fall out. Not only not do heights, but I don't do heights and speed. So it's just a scene of the countryside rolling past. Just had a load of school children who are going to Mysore to take part in the finals of the Young Politicians of the year, and this school will be vying with 3 or 4 others to win the final. Charming young ladies who all wanted their photographs and our names and addresses. So whether we'll be getting letters, I don't know, but they seem enchanted by meeting Westerners. No doubt where they come from, there aren't that many tourists. Rather a different scene to that which was evident up north. I'll try not to fall out of this train. In fact, one of them sitting out, getting a breeze. There we are. It's a way to travel. Air conditioning.